Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best shrink tubing is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools for any DIY enthusiast or professional electrician. Whether you're looking to protect wires from the elements, create a secure seal, or simply add a touch of organization to your projects, shrink tubing offers a reliable and efficient solution. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of shrink tubing, exploring its various applications, benefits, and how to choose the right type for your specific needs. Number 5. Wirefy 180 PCS Heat Shrink Tubing Kit. This kit features a 3-to-1 shrink ratio, meaning it shrinks to a third of its original size. This ensures a tight, secure seal, eliminating the issues of tubing that doesn't shrink enough. The tubing is lined with adhesive. When heated, the adhesive melts, creating a strong, resistant seal around your connections, ensuring long-lasting insulation. The kit includes 7 of the most commonly used diameters, ranging from 3.32 to 3.4 inches. The tubes are pre-cut to 3.5 inches, offering convenience for various projects. Using this is simple, just slide the tube over the connection and apply heat. You can achieve professional quality connections in a matter of seconds. The dual-wall design provides abrasion resistance with an inner wall that creates a resistant seal. It's also UL certified, giving you confidence in its quality and safety. What we like. This kit offers a reliable 3-to-1 shrink ratio, ensuring a tight seal for your connections. The adhesive lining creates a durable, waterproof bond, perfect for various applications. If you're looking for a dependable solution for general electrical work and want the peace of mind of UL certification, you should consider this one. What people say. The tubing is very easy to use. The shrink ratio is great. The adhesive is very strong. Number 4. Wirefy 275 PCS Heat Shrink Tubing Kit. This Wirefy kit offers a 3-to-1 shrink ratio, ensuring a tight and secure fit. It's perfect for various electrical and automotive applications, providing a reliable solution for your needs. The adhesive lining melts to create a waterproof and oil-proof seal. This feature makes it ideal for marine, automotive, and outdoor uses, protecting your wires effectively. The kit includes 275 pre-cut tubes in various sizes and colors for easy identification. This design ensures reliable repairs and simplifies your projects. The outer layer provides abrasion resistance, while the inner adhesive bonds firmly to the wire. This dual-wall design ensures long-lasting electrical insulation and strain relief. This heat shrink tubing is UL listed, meeting strict safety and performance standards. You can trust it for reliable insulation and flame resistance in critical applications. What we like. Featuring a waterproof and oil-proof design, this tubing is ideal for marine, automotive, and outdoor projects. The variety of colors allows for easy wire identification, making your work more organized. If you work in environments where moisture or oil exposure is a concern, or you need to easily identify wires, then this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The tubing shrinks down very well and creates a good seal. The adhesive is strong and creates a waterproof seal. This shrink tubing is easy to use and provides a secure connection. Number 3. Wirefy 190 PCS Heat Shrink Tubing Kit. This tubing shrinks to a quarter of its original size, creating a strong seal. It's perfect for automotive use, ensuring a snug fit that eliminates any looseness. This feature makes it a reliable choice for various applications. The adhesive lining melts to create a waterproof and oil-proof bond. This makes it ideal for marine, automotive, and outdoor projects. You can trust it to protect your wires in harsh conditions. The kit includes 190 pre-cut tubes in black and red, ranging from small to large sizes. The color-coded design allows for easy identification and quick repairs. It's designed for reliable and efficient use. The outer layer resists abrasion, while the inner adhesive bonds securely to the wire. This design ensures long-lasting electrical insulation and strain relief. It provides both protection and a secure connection. This heat shrink tubing is UL listed, meeting strict safety and performance standards. It guarantees reliable insulation and flame resistance in critical applications. You can be confident in its safety and quality. What we like. With a 4:1 shrink ratio, this tubing provides an even tighter seal than the previous one. The black and red color combination is great for easy identification. If you are working on automotive projects or need a secure, color-coded solution, this product will be your best choice. What people say. The 3:1 shrink ratio is particularly impressive. It recovers to 1/3 of its original diameter, providing a snug and secure fit over various wire gauges. What sets this kit apart is the adhesive lining inside the tubing. When heated, the adhesive melts and flows, creating a waterproof seal and providing excellent insulation. The tubing shrinks evenly and seals well. Quality feels good, comes in a well-organized box with many size options. Number 2. Wirefy 1/4 Heat Shrink Tubing. This tubing shrinks to 1/4 of its original size, creating a tight seal. It solves the common issue of tubing not shrinking enough. This black heat shrink roll is perfect for any project. When heated, the adhesive inside seals the connection, providing durable insulation. This industrial heat shrink tubing is essential for any DIY project. You will love this adhesive heat shrink tubing. Just slide the tubing over your connection and apply heat. You can make professional connections in seconds. This electrical black heat shrink tubing can also be used as electrical shrink wrap tubing. The outer wall protects against abrasion, while the inner wall creates a strong seal and strain relief. Small heat shrink tubing pieces are also included. With this waterproof heat shrink tubing, you can fix any wire. Get the exact diameter you need. The 50-foot roll will last through many projects. This heat shrink tube, wire shrink wrap tubing, heat shrink wire tubing, and wire heat shrink tubing is a must-have. What we like. This product comes in a convenient 50-foot roll, offering a 4:1 shrink ratio for a secure fit. The adhesive lining ensures a waterproof seal, making it perfect for various projects. If you have larger projects or prefer to buy in bulk, this roll provides excellent value and performance. What people say. Waterproof shrink tubing works great. The tubing shrinks down nicely and seals well. I used this to seal some wires and it worked perfectly. Number 1. BuyUneed 4:1 Heat Shrink Tubing. This heat shrink tubing shrinks to 1/4 of its original size. It provides a quick and solid contraction, perfect for protecting objects of irregular shapes. It's efficient and reliable. The tubing features a hot melt adhesive on the inner wall. After shrinking, it seals materials at the connection points, creating an insulated seal. This dual-wall design offers enhanced protection. Made from polyolefin, this tubing is flame retardant and easy to use. It's best shrunk using a hot air gun. This material ensures durability and safety. This product is ideal for industrial maintenance, marine, and automotive applications. It's also great for wire connections, rust prevention, and DIY electrical projects. It's versatile for various needs. Choose from 5 useful sizes, including 1 4-inch, 1 2-inch, 5 8-inch, 3 4-inch, and 1 inch. Remember, the sizes refer to the diameter of the round state. It offers flexibility for different projects. What we like. This tubing offers a 4:1 shrink ratio and a reliable adhesive lining for a secure and waterproof seal. It is suitable for industrial maintenance, marine, and automotive applications. If you need a versatile solution for a wide range of projects, this is the one you should choose. What people say. The tubing shrunk perfectly and sealed the wires. The adhesive-lined tubing created a watertight seal. The shrink tubing worked great for repairing the wires on my trailer. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.